How does your net worth compare to others your age? The answer might surprise you, and it's probably not what you think. Whether you're just starting out or looking to retire, understanding where you stand is the first step to achieving financial freedom. Let's dive into the real numbers, debunk some myths, and uncover how you can take control of your financial future starting today. Welcome to ID Flux. Here, we empower you with insights on finance, real estate, and history to turn your ideas into action and success. Today's video tackles a topic that's as revealing as it is motivating: net worth by age. Whether you're feeling ahead of the game or stuck in a rut, we'll show you where the averages lie, what separates the wealthy from the struggling, and, most importantly, how to grow your wealth, no matter where you're starting. Before we begin, make sure to check out our previous video, Financial Freedom, Expert Shares Top Secrets to Wealth, where we dive into powerful strategies to unlock financial independence. If you haven't watched it yet, click the link in the description or at the end of this video. Let's start with the basics. Your net worth is simply the total value of everything you own, your assets, minus everything you owe, your liabilities. Assets. These include cash, savings, investments, retirement accounts, real estate, and valuable personal property like cars or jewelry. Liabilities, on the flip side, this includes debts such as student loans, mortgages, credit card balances, or personal loans. For example, let's say you own a home worth $300,000, but still owe $200,000 on the mortgage. You also have $50,000 in savings and $10,000 in credit card debt. In this case, net worth equals $300,000 plus $50,000 $200,000 plus $10,000 equals $140,000. Why does net worth matter? It's a snapshot of your financial health. It shows how much money you'd have if you sold everything you own and paid off all your debts. More importantly, it's a benchmark you can use to measure your progress toward financial goals, whether that's buying a home, retiring comfortably, or leaving a legacy. Now, let's explore how your net worth compares to others. These numbers are based on data from the Federal Reserve and national surveys. While they provide valuable insights, remember that your unique circumstances, goals, and strategies matter most. Age 18-24, starting out, median net worth, $8,000, top 10%, $50,000 plus. At this stage, many people are in the negative due to student loans or credit card debt. But this is also a time to build a solid financial foundation. Starting early with good habits like budgeting, saving, and investing, even if it's just a small amount, can have a significant impact later. For example, investing $100 per month starting at age 20 can grow to nearly $150,000 by age 60, assuming an average 7% annual return. That's the power of compound interest. Age 25-34, building momentum, median net worth, $20,000, top 10%, $250,000 plus. This is the decade of career growth and major life milestones, like buying a first home or starting a family. It's also when many begin contributing to retirement accounts. Pro tip: aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement. If your employer offers a matching contribution, make sure to max it out. It's essentially free money. Age 35-44, wealth accumulation, median net worth, $91,000, top 10%, $1 million plus. By now, you're likely hitting your stride financially. Higher earnings and investments often lead to significant net worth growth. At this stage, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio, focusing on a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. For example, owning rental property can generate both monthly income and long-term appreciation. If you bought a $200,000 rental home 10 years ago, it might now be worth $300,000 while also providing steady rental income. Age 45-54, Peak earnings median net worth. $168,000 top 10%, $2 million plus. This is often the most lucrative phase of your career. Many people in this age group focus on paying off remaining debts, such as mortgages or student loans for their children. It's also the time to ramp up retirement contributions to take full advantage of compound growth before retirement. Example: if you're 50 and contribute the maximum $7,500 annually to a 401k with a 7% return, you could grow your account by over $100,000 in just 10 years. Age 55 minus 64 retirement preparation median net worth. $212,000 top 10%, $3 million plus. With retirement on the horizon, the focus shifts to preserving and protecting wealth. Many people use this time to downsize their homes or relocate to reduce expenses. Additionally, reviewing withdrawal strategies and minimizing taxes is essential for maximizing retirement income. Age 65 and above. Wealth preservation. Median net worth. $266,000. Top 10%, $4 million plus. In retirement, your net worth may decrease as you begin drawing on savings and investments. But the goal isn't just to spend less, it's to spend wisely. Many retirees benefit from low-risk investments like bonds or dividend-paying stocks to ensure a steady income stream while maintaining their lifestyle. Net worth doesn't happen by chance. Several factors contribute to its growth or stagnation. Income. While earning more can boost your savings, spending habits matter just as much. Debt management. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can severely impact your net worth. Investments. Consistent, long-term investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses accelerates growth. Lifestyle choices. Avoiding lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more, is critical. For example, instead of upgrading to a luxury car with a $700 monthly payment, investing that money over 10 years at 7% could grow to over $120,000. Regardless of your age, there are practical steps you can take to grow your net worth. Age 18-24. Build a budget, avoid high-interest debt, and start investing, even if it's just $50 a month. Age 25-34. Maximize employer retirement matches and start building an emergency fund. Age 35-44. Diversify your investments and focus on paying down high-interest debt. Age 45-54. Plan for retirement by maximizing contributions and consulting a financial advisor. Age 55 plus. Shift to conservative investments and prepare for potential healthcare expenses. While it's natural to compare yourself to others, remember, financial progress is personal. Your journey depends on your goals, circumstances, and choices. Instead of worrying about averages, focus on consistent growth. Here's a quick mindset shift. Instead of asking, "Am I behind?" ask, "What's my next best step?" Whether that's paying off debt, increasing savings, or learning about investing, every step counts. Want to take your financial journey even further? Check out our video, Financial Freedom. Expert shares top secrets to wealth. It's packed with strategies from the pros to help you fast-track your path to financial independence. Click the link in the description or find it in the cards above. Did today's video help you see where you stand financially? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who could benefit, and subscribe to ID Flux for more insights on finance. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, your financial future starts with the actions you take today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.